had our heads in the clouds, thought we had it all figured out, planning to fly away to escape everything on the ground. But like a plane up in space, we're slowly drifting away. And every plan that we made and dream that we chased are just memories now. They're just memories now. Who can say where the path will go?